Good morning, children. After the explanation of the chapter Sundri, now we are going to do textbook exercise. Do you remember the story about the Sundri? It was about a small boy who drew a beautiful, very beautiful, a big kite. And it was so beautiful that he gave the name Sundri. एक छोटा सा बच्चा था, उसका नाम बॉबी था. उसने बहुत ही खूबसूरत एक पतंग बनाई और इतनी खूबसूरत थी कि उस पतंग का नाम उसने क्या रखा? सुंदरी. सो इट इज़ अबाउट द काइट सुंदरी. देन ही टुक द बॉय. व्हाट हैपन द नेक्स्ट डे? द बॉय टुक द काइट इनटू द फेयर. ओवर देयर merry go rounds were there and music was playing around and he wanted to fly the kite in open space. खुली जगह में उसकी इच्छा हुई कि मैं पतंग को स्काई में फ्लाई करूं. सो ही गॉट एन ओपन स्पेस वेयर ग्रास वॉज देयर एंड ही टुक बॉबी ओवर देयर. द विंड केम अलॉन्ग एंड सुंदरी स्टार्टेड टू फ्लाई अप. देयर वॉज अ विंड, सो सुंदरी वॉज फ्लाइंग अप, but she could not go very high. What was the reason? A small dog holding the Sundari's tail. A small dog was holding Sundari's tail. So Bobby saw that and he made that dog release the tail and the dog went away and the kite Sundari again flew very high up in the sky and the wind was also there. So the Sundari was so much enjoying to fly very high up in the sky. Now we are going to do the exercise. Answer the following question. Answer the following question. Reading is fun. Who made Sundari? Who made Sundari? सुंदरी जो पतंग है वो किसने बनाई थी? द बॉय नेम्ड बॉबी मेड सुंदरी. द बॉय नेम्ड बॉबी मेड सुंदरी. वाई डिड बॉबी कॉल हिज काइट सुंदरी? वाई डिड बॉबी कॉल हिज काइट सुंदरी? ही कॉल्ड इट सुंदरी बिकॉज शी लव्ड ब्यूटिफुल. वाई डिड बॉबी कॉल्ड हिज काइट सुंदरी? बिकॉज इट वॉज वेरी beautiful. Because it was very beautiful. Did Sundari fly very high at first? Did Sundari fly very high at first? No, she did not fly very high at first. No, she did not fly very high at the first. स्टार्टिंग में सुंदरी जो है वो स्काई में वो ऊंचाई तक नहीं उड़ पाई. Who made Sundari really happy? Who made Sundari really happy? Sundari felt happy when Bobby let her go away high in the sky. Who made Sundari really happy? Bobby. How he made it? While letting her go high in the sky. Let's talk. Do you like to fly kites? Yes, I like to fly kites. Now we'll do this exercise. Let's share. Take the objects you need to fly a kite. What we have to do? We have to take the objects which we need to fly a kite and then we have to color it. Stick, roller, glue, a pair of scissors, basket, paper, ball. Again we'll say stick, roller, glue, a pair of scissors. Now to make a kite, what things we need? So stick, roller, glue, a pair of scissors and paper. This much thing we need to make a kite. Again stick, roller, glue, a pair of scissors and paper. This much things are needed to make a kite. Now children, over here this exercise, trace over the dotted line. Over here the dotted lines are given. You have to trace on this dotted line. What you have to do? You have to do tracing. Now next, look at the pictures and tell the story in your own words. Now there are 4 pictures. We have to look at the pictures and we have to tell the story. The umbrella and the crow. The title is what? The umbrella and the crow. The umbrella and the crow. The first one. You can see it is a heavy rainfall. A girl is holding an umbrella. Umbrella color is purple and it is raining very heavily. And the girl is holding the umbrella and she is walking back home. In the second picture you can see there is a crow flies away with the umbrella. What happens? The crow saw what happened. You can see over here the crow saw the girl is holding an umbrella, so he wanted the umbrella. So what happened? The crow flies away with the umbrella. You can see over here the crow is flying away with the umbrella. Then the next picture is what? The next picture is what? You can see what the crow did with the umbrella. He hanged the umbrella on the tree. What he did? He hanged the umbrella from the tree. Now how he hanged? Upside down. And you can see inside the umbrella the babies are there. Birds babies are there. Crows babies are there. He has been used this umbrella as a nest. He has been used this umbrella as a nest. So once again we'll say there was a girl. She was walking on the road and a wind. It was raining very heavily. So she was using an umbrella. A high wind. A wind was also blowing. So there was a heavy rainfall, and with the rainfall the wind was also blowing too much. So in meantime the crow came and snatched the umbrella from the girl, took away the umbrella from the girl and flew away. What happened? And flew away. And he hung it on the tree and he used as a nest. The crow used the umbrella as a nest. Now we have to arrange this. We have to do this exercise. Rearrange the following sentences in the right order to make it into a story on the left page. What we have to do? We have to arrange it in the correct order. A wind blows, it is raining. A wind blows, it is raining. The crow flies away with the umbrella. The girl has an umbrella. The umbrella is now a nest. The umbrella hangs from a tree. Now say the story in English using the words rain, wind, crow, nest, is, has, blows, fly. Now what we have to do? We have to arrange first this. Rearrange the following sentences in the right order. So first will come what? The first is what? It is raining. So we'll write one number. This is one number. It is raining. Then 2 number is what? The girl has an umbrella. This is 2 number. The girl has an umbrella. 3 number, the wind blows. So this is 3 number. The wind blows. Then 4th number, the crow flies away with the umbrella. This is 4 number. The crow flies away with the umbrella. Then 5 number, the umbrella hangs from the tree. The umbrella hangs from the tree. And the 6th number is what? The umbrella is now a nest. Umbrella is now a nest. So you follow, children. We have to arrange the stories in correct order. Now let's read and write. Over here few words are given. We have to trace on it and we have to read it aloud. So CROW, crow, GIRL, girl, NEST, nest. So on dotted line we have to trace and we have to say the words. TREE, tree, WIND, wind. So This exercise you have to do in your textbook only. Now children will do new words. New words. Number 1, Sundari, Sundri. It is the name of a kite. So it is Sundri. 2 number, Bobby, Bobby. Bobby, Bobby. 3 number, Smile, smile. Smile means muskurana, hasna. So Smile, smile. 4 number, Beautiful, beautiful. यानी खूबसूरत. Beautiful, beautiful. 5 number, Fair, fair. Fair, fair. 6 number, Round, round. Round, round. 7 number, Wooden, wooden. Wooden, wooden. 8 Space, space. 8 Space, space. 9 Grass, grass. Grass, grass. 10 Wind, wind. Wind. 11 Fly, fly. 11 Fly, fly. 12 Tail, tail. Tail, tail. 13 Mouth, mouth. Mouth. 14 String, string. String. 15 Should, should. 16 Leaped, leaped. Leaped. 17 Away, away. 18 Merry, Mary. Go, Round, round. Merry go round. 19 Holding, holding. Holding. 20 Playing, playing. So once again we'll do the new words. Sundri, it is the name of a kite. Bobby, it is the name of a boy who made this beautiful kite and gave the name Sundri. Then smile, to give a smile, मुस्कुराना. Beautiful यानी बहुत ही खूबसूरत, बहुत ही बढ़िया, बहुत ही अच्छा. Fair, fair means what? Mela, where all different types of merry-go-round is there. Then toy shop is there, ice cream wala is there. 6 Round, round means it is a shape. Ball is round, it is one type of shape. Wooden, wooden means what? A thing made by wood, a piece of wood. Wooden. Space, to find a huge space to fly a kite. Grass, in the open space or in the ground we see many grass growing. Wind, wind means air. Fly. Tail, tail is a kite Sundri which the boy Bobby had made. He even made a tail also of the kite, so that is tail. Mouth. String, string means what? Dori, where we tie up the kite to fly high up in the sky. Should, leaped. Away, merry-go-round. Holding, playing. So dear children, write these new words in your English notebook with neat and clean handwriting. Thank you.